Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce noise in your images using Photoshop. Noise can degrade image quality, making photos appear grainy or speckled. We will cover identifying different noise types and applying powerful reduction techniques. By the end, you will be able to clean up your photos, achieving smoother tones and clearer details. This guide will help you enhance your images significantly, making them look more professional and polished. The primary tool for noise reduction is the Reduce Noise filter, found under the Filter menu. Once open, you will see several key sliders. The Strength slider controls the overall luminance noise reduction, while Preserve Details helps retain important textures. For color noise, which often appears as colored speckles, adjust the Reduce Color Noise slider. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for your specific image. For more control, convert your image layer to a smart object before applying the Reduce Noise filter. This allows you to re-edit the filter settings at any time. Additionally, using layer masks enables you to apply noise reduction only to specific areas, such as shadows, while preserving detail in others. For raw files, the Camera Raw filter offers excellent initial noise reduction capabilities before even entering Photoshop's main interface. When reducing noise, always work non-destructively, either on a duplicate layer or a smart object. Zoom into 100% to accurately evaluate the noise and the effect of your adjustments. Remember, less is often more. Over-applying noise reduction can make your image look overly smooth or plastic. Experiment with combining different techniques to achieve the best possible results for your unique photographs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.